Alright, you guys. So lately I've watched a lot of videos on training an AI to play whatever game, and I decided to make my own version. So in this video I will make a racing game where you can drive around the track and then train a neural network to see who's the better gamer. But first we need to make the game, so let's choose a game engine. And yeah, that one should do. I went for JavaScript because, I can play the game in the browser and it shouldn't be that hard, right? Okay, next I have to figure out how to set up the game loop, so I found some useful code on the internet, then decided to copy paste it into my project, start an HTTP server, and then immediately got punished by this flashing square dude. Now let's replace that with our car. Right now it's just a rectangle, but let's implement some movement. Okay, so now it's a moving rectangle. That's good, but it still doesn't look like a car, so maybe we can do something about that.
7 hours later.
And ladies and gentlemen, there she is. Now, not only it looks like a car, but it can also drift and has some physics. So next we have to add some roads for it to drive on.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Okay, so it's 4 AM right now and the game looks like shit. But I think I'll finish everything up tomorrow, so let's see how it goes.
1 eternity later.
And finally, the game. I fixed the roads, and I also added this little circle that shows you the next checkpoint that you have to drive through. And yeah, now the game is complete. Now you can play it. And now let's AI this bit. Alright, so the first step in creating the AI is to have some input from the car. So we will use raycasts that go from the center of the car and in all directions, and we'll see when they intersect with the edge of the track, and that number will be our input. The next input will be the angle between the direction of the next waypoint and the forward direction of the car. And our last input will be just the velocity of the car. So in total we'll have 10 inputs for the AI. And to make the AI, I will be using DeepQ-Learning. So the main idea in DeepQ-Learning is that first the AI will play the game randomly to create some sort of a buffer of actions that it took, and it will also associate with them the rewards. After that, after a few steps of randomly playing the game, the AI will start training, and it will use that buffer of states and actions to determine how to change the parameters of the neural network, and also which action would be the best for each state. Now it's time to evaluate the AI and see if it managed to learn something, so we'll test it on a more difficult scenario. And hell yeah, it did it. It managed to get a lap. And now it's going for another one. And now it's flexing on us, it's driving backwards. No, it's just stuck. Yeah, it's stuck. And for the final challenge, the hard track. Let's see what happens. Okay, so the last one was a fail, but it still managed to get a lap on a track that it didn't train on, so that's good. And yeah, I guess at least we found the answer, and now I'm playing the game, so you can see that I'm the better gamer, not the AI. And if you want to try it out, you can check out the link in the description. Also, I made the code available on GitHub if you want to check it out and train your own neural network for this game. See you guys next time, and cue the outro.